In the mappings, you can consult your source and target data in SQL Explorer or get the counted records within the mapping for a quick check. When you click on a target mapping, you get the fields highlighted in source to provide you the lineage. Drag and drop a column outside to quickly create filters. You can also disable filters if needed. On the target, you can enable rejects. By default, the database constraints-based rejects are enabled. You can then add reject conditions in your target metadata and configure the properties in reject template. You can open metadata for source or target directly from the mapping. For change data capture, right-click on the source and use EDC. This needs EDC component to be executed, then you can consult capture data. Your mapping can also have the target act as a source, as you can further continue to map to another target. Alternatively, you can map to heterogeneous targets from the same source. In case of complex transformations, you can open a mapper and write and manage your transformations from different sources to targets. Finally, if you do not have a target table to map your data to, you can just drag and drop the required source fields, and with the stage selection, choose the target schema where you want to create this as a temporary stage table. And then choose the template to physicalize the table.